So this morning on the 65 Corvette, we took diagonal measurements on the front end to make sure that the frame wasn't bent. So the frame is square within 1/8 of an inch. And then we shot some laser lines down the body mounts and measured to the tips of the frame rails to verify that the frame wasn't twisted. And for the length of the car, it's within 1/4 inch. So I think we're pretty confident that we get a good frame before the car gets, blasted and painted and the body put back on it.